Well, good evening, everyone, team. Again, welcome back to the day 2 session on. Welcome back to the day 2 session on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So, once again, a warm welcome to every one of you, and thank you everyone for attending the session today. So, in the yesterday session, we had a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So, as part of yesterday's session, what we discussed, team. So, initially, we had an introduction about myself, and then I introduced it to you about the TrioTech software trainings, and also we have seen the agenda like this. Okay, what we have seen yesterday, first I discussed introduction to ERP. What is ERP and what are the different products under ERP we have that we discussed in yesterday's session. And then we spoke about what is this Oracle Fusion application is about. That too, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud means what? For what purpose? Okay, for what purpose this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications will be there in the market? And also we have seen the background of the Fusion applications, like the Fusion evaluation path. When Oracle introduced this Fusion applications into the market, prior to this, prior to this, what are the existing ERP products we have in the market, like EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, right, team? And in which year Oracle introduced this technology in the market, we have seen in this particular evaluation path of Oracle Fusion system. And then I introduce it to you. What are the different products under Oracle Fusion application that Oracle offering in the market? So we are learning one of the product, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So what I told you, in any organization, in order to conduct their day-to-day HR business operations, this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications will be useful, I told you. And then, team, I introduce it to you, like for whom this course is suitable, any prerequisites to learn this course. These all things we have seen in yesterday's session. And also, I introduce it to you different types of companies involved in the implementation or the usability of this technology. Who is called as service provider, who is called as client or the customer company, then who is called as consulting company. These all things we have discussed. And once you learn this technology, in which companies you will be working, on what purpose, what you will do, that all we discussed here. Consulting companies, right? You will be hired here, I told you. So the fundamental difference between these all we discussed in our yesterday's session. And after this, I introduce it to you Oracle quarterly upgradation releases. Like in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced this product, what was the version they came up, how it got evolved. Now the latest version of the Fusion application is what, and yearly how many times Oracle will upgrade their application. Quarterly upgrade, I told you. And the sequencing, how the sequence numbering Oracle will follow every quarterly upgrade. These we have seen, team. And then the most important thing, we discussed about the course curriculum and what are all the modules or the functionalities we have in this technology. So what comes under functional, what comes under technical part, right? What are these modules that we have in Fusion application? As part of this training program, as part of this training program, what modules that we are going to cover? I told you what team? This is going to be a comprehensive 3 months end-to-end real-time techno-functional training on Oracle HCM Cloud application. And also I discussed with you the kind of roles that market recruiting once you learn this technology. Techno-functional consultants are having huge demand, I told you. And in fact, our training also will be on that basis only, techno-functional criteria. And I also introduce it to you, like in what all companies generally in this technology, the recruitment is happening, how the market is now, or how the demand for freshers or experienced people we have in the market. The next 15 to 20 years in the market, if you want to be on a stable technology without a recession impact, then I told this technology will be that one course or the application you can choose for your career, I told. And then I introduce it to you the course features and all team, what could be the duration of this program, how many days, what will be the timings of the program, and also uh, what you will be getting, like video portal access for lifetime, 7 months server access. Then I introduce it to you the materials drive folder, that what we are going to provide for each module, assignments, custom materials, interview question and answers, sample resume. Then what kind of support from our placement team you will be getting as part of your interview preparation, starting from resume preparation, interview question and answers, mock interviews, referral program, all the course benefits I have discussed with you. And also I introduce it to you the course fee, what will be that, and what was the offer that we have given for till today, right team? These all things we discussed. And also some of the placement success stories in TrioTech in the recent months, the real student testimonials that I have shown to you team. And I also told you go through our YouTube and Instagram channel for more student testimonials on this technology placements and all. This is what we discussed in our yesterday's session. Now today, what we are going to see. So as I told you, we are going to start with our regular classes from today onwards. Okay. But yesterday, couple of things I have not covered because already it was 2 hours time. So I have not covered two concepts that which I supposed to cover yesterday. Let me talk about them for first 15-20 minutes, and then we will enter into the Fusion HCM Cloud application. I will introduce to you how the Fusion application looks like. And once we log in, what are the basic functionalities we have in the system? That all we will see team, right? Now, the very first concept for today that we can talk, Oracle Knowledge Repository. What do you mean by this Oracle Knowledge Repository? See team, when you learning this technology, you should be able to utilize all the Oracle standard documents or materials in order to prepare or upskill yourself. See, anyhow, you will be getting this drive folder access and all team. So today we have shared e-learning portal access to all the participants confirmed team. Maximum all the people whoever in the call today, we have the enrollments confirmed. We have already shared the portal access to you. Whoever not received also, don't worry, because before half an hour to the session also we received some enrollments. You will be getting maximum by tonight or tomorrow. Today we shared e-learning portal access, and few of you already added into the new WhatsApp community also. And this drive materials followed by you will be getting maximum by tomorrow team. Anyhow, you will be getting the materials from our side for every module. I told you yesterday, right? So here if you go to Core HR, you can see the 130-page document with screenshots and navigations, everything. But on top of these, if you want to access the standard Oracle delivered materials or the documents for this technology, how you can access them, let me introduce to you that Oracle Knowledge Repository. So just go to your Google, type as docs.oracle.com. Just go to Google, type as docs.oracle.com. This is the website URL team. DOCS. If you are in front of your laptops, do it along with me right now. Docs.oracle.com. You will land upon this page. Don't think that Kumar associated with Oracle, he has access to all this. No, it's an open forum. Here it's asking me to sign in and or it asking me to create a new account team. Did I logged in? No. It's an open forum for everyone. Oracle will give access. But people generally think that only people who associated with Oracle only you'll be getting. No, anyone will get. You check it out now. I want everyone to check out immediately now. You will get access to this. Type docs.oracle.com and then here you can find all the products of Oracle team. Oracle database, Java, operating environment, Linux servers, okay, or cloud infrastructures, all this. Here team, you should come to cloud application. Here we have Fusion application suite. See, NetSuite is one of the Oracle's own ERP, small ERP. Under Fusion, we have team. That's not our requirement. This is the one. Fusion application suite. Here, all the products under Fusion you can see. Yesterday, I told you, right, team? Under Oracle Fusion, Oracle is offering multiple products. HCM, our product. Financials, supply chain, CRM, procurement, PPM. So all the product list you can see. So come to Fusion application suite and come to human resources. This is our product area. Click on that team. This is very important. This is very important team because when you are learning this course or even once you get into your real-time companies, after this course you got selected for some company and you are working, then also you have to access all these things. You have to explore these things. Not only documents team. Yesterday I told you Oracle quarterly upgradation policy. Every three months, Oracle will give upgrade to their system, I told you. And every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their system, some new functionalities Oracle will bring in each module, I told you. So for that matter also, Oracle will release the document team in this new upgrade. What new features Oracle is going to bring. See, I always suggest my students personally one important thing. What is that? When you learning a technology or once you start working in your real-time projects also, be yourself updated with the latest trends. Don't leave it. Okay. Every time if the application is evolving, if the application is growing, you should also grow your knowledge accordingly team. So this is one of the important feature that I'm going to show you. Okay. For every batch, I will cover this topic because this is mandatory. You have to follow this in your real-time projects also. Every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their system, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system? Phenomenal changes it won't bring, but basic cosmetic level enhancements it will bring team in each module. You should update about that things. Even when you are in the project, it's a fixed cycle. For our client, we have to explain what new features Oracle bringing and all. So anyhow, we will explore. So where to access? For all documents team, same place. Once after you clicking on human resources, you will land upon Oracle human resources here. And the left hand side, different options we have. Go to all books. If you go to all books here, you will have a filter under all books, view, and here you can see team, like you want implementation guides, like how to implement all these modules. Do you want to access the module, what module wise the implementation guides for them, or you want user guides or admin guides, what you want? So I'm filtering with implementation. So I want to access how to implement this Oracle modules guides team, view implementation. So here all implementation books you can find. See, this is for implementing absence management module. We have a module, no? Yesterday I told you absence management one module. For that, this documenting. Then benefits, compensation, global HR, global payroll, help desk. In payroll, again, we have localization team, country wise. We have all these documents available. See, time and labor, what not, everything. So here you can come, let's say implementing global HR, click on this document, or else team, if you click on this PDF symbol here beside that link, okay, the PDF document will open up team. See, 388 page Oracle delivered standard book for core HR module implementation with all the descriptions, explanation, with all theoretical explanation team, what is what in each module, what we have, with all examples. Oracle will give the standard documents team. You can even download them. These are free documents. You can download and you can save it in your laptop also. This is for global HR team. Then if you want to implement absence module, click on this PDF. Then you will be able to access the absence management module, and you can able to find all the information about the absence management team with all the explanation, everything you can see. But generally, Oracle documents are a bit lengthy and vasty. You can follow our materials, what we are giving. These are very easy to use material in our custom language, in our regular English, in our day-to-day life, what we speak. I prepared the manuals accordingly like that. You can use our materials team. But on top of that, if you want to explore Oracle standard material, you have to come to internet and you have to access them. So this is the document area where you can find all module documents team. Then if you come to videos here, short bites, 30 seconds, 1 minute short bites about new features and all, Oracle will embed. If you want, you can explore here also team. Module wise, you will see them. Then the most important thing, as I told you, quarterly upgrade release documents. Every three months, when Oracle upgrading the system, in this upgrade, what new features it brings in, you can able to get from here team. At the top left, we have something like cloud readiness. Go to cloud readiness here team. Click on it. And then you can filter with human capital management. By default, it's selected with that only. And here you can select the release team, which updates you want, latest updates or past updates. You can filter latest update, scroll down. So here you can view team. Module wise also you can filter, or you can see everything here. See, this is benefits module. The latest update 25C, I told you, that which we received in the July month team, last month, July. So here you can see in benefits module in 25C, what's new features came, in compensation module, in help desk module, in core HR, human resource means, or in learning and development module, OLC, then in recruiting, ORC, talent management, absence management, time and labor, payroll management, all module release notes you can find here team. So if you want to go and explore in benefits module in this 25C release, what new features Oracle bought in, Click on that link. Then here, expand your benefits module, expand here. These all are the new features team. So what is that feature? Explanation, and in the front end screen, what is that new feature Oracle brings in with the clear cut explanation of every feature. Then there is some other feature Oracle bring in. This is a feature in benefits module. What is that feature? Where that new feature coming up in the front end? This is a front end screen team. So in the application, like this, a clear cut document Oracle will give. Not only for benefits, every module. Next, after benefits team, I want to explore now core HR module, human resources. Then click on this team. Then expand human resource. Okay, expand this. So these all are the new features in core HR module. So what is that feature? Explanation of that feature in the front end where that is coming with highlighting with red color like boxes team. See, this will give a very spoon feeding information to us. Anyone can easily identify, right? Okay, in this release, acha, this new feature Oracle brings in. Okay, in the front end on this screen, here the impact will be there. Like that team. This you have to make it as a habit. Okay. How how every day you follow the basic habits in your life, you have to make it as a habit when you are working in this technology. Because every 3 months, once you come here, spend 15 minutes of time team. Because now you are new to the technology, you don't know all these functionalities, what module is what. But once you learn this, once you are working, you will play with the application easily. Which screen is what you can able to recollect. So just every 3 months, come once to this page, every module, just have a glance, go through like that. 15-20 minutes you spend in. What new features Oracle brings in this release, you can able to be up to date with the application, right? So I want everyone to make this as a habit of following the release notes team. So 25C, the latest release we are seeing. But let's say you want to see past releases. Filter with prior updates here team. The screen is loading. It will filter with prior updates. See, prior to 25C, what was the upgrade in this year? 25B. In the second quarter we got, right? So that release things you can see. Or last year 24B. So different releases or 25-year releases, all the things you can see here team. So this is our Oracle knowledge repository. How to access the standard Oracle documents you can able to do from here. So docs.oracle.com. Simple. Done team. Next, what we can discuss, few of the people, usually every time when you interacting with me or with my team, okay, even today also, few of the students were asking, Kumar, how certification concept in this will work? Because generally in the market there will be a myth. I will tell myth only. Okay, why I'm telling myth means reality, people don't know. If you ask anyone, they will tell that you have to do certification, or else companies will not recruit you. That is what the common statement your friends or colleagues will tell. So let me ice break you on that part. Learning this technology is sufficient, or you have to do certification. If certification is required, how to do that? What is the procedure? What is the cost for that? Let us talk about that for 10 minutes team. So let me introduce to you Oracle certification process. So this is our technology, right? So let us talk about certification process in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application, right? So team, we have different modules in the system again, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, different modules we have team, right? So the ground reality, everyone should have team. First of all, Oracle, very important, please focus. This is a very basic knowledge. Even once you join the organization, at least to discuss with your colleagues, this knowledge is very important to you. When it comes to certification team, Oracle not conducting the certification for entire Fusion application. This is also a very big question mark to many people. Kumar, do we have to do certification means for entire Fusion HCM Cloud we will have any exam? No. Oracle not conducting the exam for entire product. Then how, Kumar? Module wise. We have different modules, no? Module wise Oracle conducting the certification exam. For example, if you want to write a certification for core HR module or global HR, we have an examination name by like this: Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. And there will be an examination code IZO1046/25. This is the examination code for core HR module team. Then if you want to do for absence management, Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Like this team, module wise, you have the examination conducted. For this also, there will be a code IZO 1053 or 54 something is there. Exactly, I can't recollect, but there will be a code. So module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam. How we have to book the certification exam, Kumar? If we have to write, let's say, what is the procedure? See, there are two ways, team. Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. There is a company by name View Pearson team. So this is the company Oracle partnered with. If you go to your Google, just type as View Pearson and give a search. You will get the very first website, pearsonview.com. See, any of you in your career tried for abroad studies like Australia or US or Canada or UK, anything. You used to write some English exams, right? PTE, Pearson testing, English test like that. That company only team this is. Okay. Pearsonview.com. Go to this website. Oracle partnered with this company. On behalf of Oracle, this company will conduct the examination team. There are two ways to write the exam. See, this Pearson View will have the test center in maximum cities across the world. We have in Hyderabad, we have in Chennai, Bangalore, Vijayawada, Vizag, Delhi, everywhere. Even if it is US, UK, every country they have the test center. Either you have to go to the physical test center, book the exam there, the agent will book, you have to pay the fee, sit over there and you have to write the exam. If not, team, post COVID, everything moving towards online. So you can take the online test also. Come to this website, then here you can search team directly with your examination name or code. You can create your account, you can pay the fee, book the available slot, sit in your home and you can write the exam, team. That will be video monitored. Okay. Your exam will be monitored in the video by the facilitator. These are the two ways. Or else, team, directly you can go to education.oracle.com. Directly, this is a Oracle University website, team. So directly you can go to education.oracle.com, team. Okay. education.oracle.com. So directly you can go to this website, come to certification, and here, team, you can filter, schedule your exam, take your exam. We have multiple options, team. So you can buy an exam. It will ask, team, whether it is cloud applications or what. You have to go to cloud, click on the product. It will ask you for sign in. You have to go with sign in and you have to apply there. There are steps that our team will guide you. So there are two ways to book the exam and you can write. Here, how the examination pattern, what is the cost, whether negative marking is there. See, team, for each module, Oracle will charge 23,000, okay, 23K 23,000 INR plus the applicable taxes as per Indian government, like GST, vagera, all these things. For each module, Oracle charging around 23K plus taxes. I know where the examination cost was from 4,500 rupees team, somewhere in 2011, 2012. But now, all I mean, kind of what would I say, increment in everything will be there, right? So now, as of 2025, inflation, we have the rate that is 23,000 plus taxes Oracle charging team. And the examination question paper will be MCQs. MCQs means what? Multiple choice questions plus real time scenarios to configure. See, last 2 years back, team 2023 till only MCQs was the examination pattern. But after COVID team, many people cheating this also. Many people doing proxies. One person booking the exam, another person writing. So Oracle to make this examination process more tough, along with the multiple choice questions team, 80% MCQs, 20% real-time scenarios. They will give you the scenario, they will give you the Fusion Cloud application, and you have to configure then and there and you have to show. This pattern introduced in the market team. So generally for each module, depending upon the module, the questions will be there. If it is a core HR team, 90 to 100 questions approximately you will get. Absence is a small module. Around 55 to 60 questions you will get in absence team. Module wise it will be. Negative marking happily we have. Okay. It's like our other competitive exams when we write MSET or AI or all this. How the negative marking concept we have. Negative marking will be there. Whatever we want, we cannot keep MCQs team. And the pass percentage is at least 75%. You have to get 75. And multiple attempts, only one shot you have to book and you have to write. If you fail, no refund. If you fail, no refund. So these are the policies of Oracle team. If you book an exam, paid the fee, written the exam, if you pass, certificate will come to your email ID, registered email ID. If you fail, that's all. It won't be refunded. No multiple attempts team. Kumar, does this really require? I have to spend out of my pocket? Absolutely a big no. Absolutely a big no. In Oracle technology, particularly Fusion HCM, if you ask me, certifications are not mandatory. Forget about that. Once you join the organization, once you get into the project, if the client insisting that we want in our project implementation consultants who working should be certified, then your project manager will ask you to do. During that time, your company will pay for your team, because Oracle will give free coupons to different companies as per their partnership they have. So on behalf of you, your company will pay or bear this cost, and that time you can think about. Even that also not required. Every client will not ask certification mandatorily. By any bad luck, if your client asked you in the sense to your manager, then your manager will tell, then you write team. Now when you drop the resume, if you are a certified having a predominant value increasing, nothing like that. So don't get fallen with the trap team. Certification is not required. You no need to waste any money from your pocket. Take it as granted. But this is for Indian country, India. But if you see US, UK or Middle East countries, they're more fascinated towards certification. Probably the HRs might be looking with your certification. But at least in India, not at all required team. Freshers, forget about it completely, not required. Even experienced non-IT people, anyone, not required at this moment. But you should know there is a concept called certification, how it will happen. I'm covering this for your knowledge purpose. Okay. Then team, what we can talk here, every year Oracle will upgrade the paper. As of now, 2025 paper came team. Last year it was /24. Then again next year it will bring /26 like that. And certification general validity will be 18 months team. For example, if you write the exam today on August 1st, 2025, you pass it the exam, Oracle given you the certification, the actual validity will be 18 months. But people, if they wrote 3 years, 4 years back also, they will claim they certified in their LinkedIn profiles and all, because HRs will not that particular about this time frame and all. But the general validity will be 18 months team. Kumar, what support that you will provide, if at all, if any already existing IT people are there, they want to do, they have a requirement in their company, that manager asked, Kumar, what support you will get? Whatever the training we providing for all these modules team, that, and along with that, we will help you with the dumps. Dumps means what team? We will have the question and answers readily available for the exams team, right? Because Oracle, for every employee, for every student or for every user, use maximum the same paper. Hardly 10 to 15 questions will be changed team. So we already have the Oracle examination dumps for all the modules team. So if you prepare that, 80 to 85% of your questions you can able to answer from that. So dumps we will provide along with the training, and you can able to happily clear your certification. This is about team certification process in the Fusion system. So these two things we left out yesterday, now I covered. Now let me jump into the Fusion HCM Cloud application. See, when any customer buy this product from Oracle, yesterday I told you team, Fusion application, in the name itself, what is our product name team? Or here you can see in the PPT also, what is our technology name? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. The technology itself cloud. So what I told yesterday, Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology team. Let me go to fresh sheet. Fusion applications are completely, one second, let me take up here the course name. Okay. Fusion HCM Cloud applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. Cloud-based technology. What I mean by cloud-based technology, this is a very important basic understanding you should have, because few participants were asking me, Kumar, do I have to come to the office and bring my laptop along with me so that you will install the practice server for practicing? No. Fusion HCM cloud applications are completely working on a cloud-based technology. Cloud computing, you are hearing everywhere. Means what team? A software that is hosted over the internet. Software that is hosted over the internet. It means what team? For example, you take very well-known Reliance Industries or Tata Group, anything you take as an example team. Why I'm taking Reliance Industries means we all familiar. It's an Indian MNC, right? For example, team, Reliance Industries, okay, bought the application that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud from Oracle Corporation, okay, from Oracle Corporation team or Oracle India Private Limited, because in India, Oracle registered company name is Oracle India Private Limited. Okay, so Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle. Yesterday I told you, right team, who is the vendor client. So he is the vendor. He is the vendor. Means who own the product. Oracle Fusion applications are owned by Oracle. Now Reliance Industries bought the product team. So Reliance is called as customer or client company. Correct? Reliance is called as customer or client company. So who purchased the product in order to use in their day-to-day HR activities. So our role will come later once they purchase the product to configure their application according to the requirement. We, the implementation team, will come. That I will take later. Now, team, when any company, any client or a customer company, when they bought the product from Oracle, how the Fusion applications will be delivered, team? You know, what is the way Oracle will deliver the application? See, if you go to a mobile electronic shop, you want to buy a mobile. Today, I want to buy a brand new mobile, team, or I want to buy a laptop. You go, you pay the amount, they will give you the product, right, team? It's a physical product. You can sense it, you can feel it, the mobile in your hand, you can see the product or laptop, everything. But when any company buy the product from Oracle, how the Fusion applications will be delivered? Cloud-based technology, just in the form of URL. This is the Fusion application, team. Just just URL. This is what, team? Just in the form of URL with user ID, that is user account, and password. Because I told you, right? Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. You no need to install anywhere in your laptop. Company or the client, when they buy the product, they no need to buy any server from Oracle. They no need to maintain anything. Everything will be maintained by Oracle only. That is what the SaaS products are meant for, team. Everything the owner will maintain. Companies will buy the product and they will enjoy the features, team. In their day-to-day life they can use. So just in the form of this URL, just in the form of this URL, that is what, team? This is our cloud application. Just in the form of URL. In order to access Fusion application, you require a user ID and password, like how we are accessing our Google Gmail or our Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn. You will go to the browser, you will search as gmail.com. Then it will prompt you with sign in and password. It will give you your account detail. Once you click on sign in, you will able to enter into your Gmail, right? Same way. Now just I've taken up this URL, team. Now just I have taken up this URL, team. See? Okay, let me close all the tabs. Let me close all the tabs. Just I went here, just I copied and pasted here, team, and enter. Screen is loading. So see, cloud infrastructure I landed upon Oracle Cloud account sign in. Okay, this is a domain name. I'll tell you what is that. And system asking me for username and password. So my user account, for every batch what I use, it auto saved in my system, team. That is why by default coming HCM IMPL 13 and some password. So once we input our user ID and password, once you click on sign in, the page will be loading here and I'll be entering into the Fusion Cloud application. Click on home button. Once you enter into that, leave. Okay, you will be landing upon the main home screen of the Fusion system. This is what the Fusion application URL, team. So cloud-based technology means that this access you will be provided tomorrow. So once you start practicing, if you want to start practicing, team, you no need to install anywhere. Even clients also, when they buy the product, everything is online. Everything is online. Just they will paste that web link or URL in the internet with their user account and password. They will sign in and they can start using that, team. So cloud-based technology means that one. A software that is hosted over the internet. So when any company buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered just in the form of this URL, team. Now, let me introduce to you some of the jargons. Jargons means terminologies that you should be knowing before getting into the interviews or even after once you getting into the job. You should use this terminologies, team, because we should not call the Fusion application just as a URL, web link, or give me that URL like that team. You are going to start your life as a consultant in the software companies, right? You should be more professionally speaking there. You should not use our general terminologies like can you give me the URL of the client? Can you give me the link of that client? No. URL or web link, these are very general terminologies to refer team. But the actual terminologies that you should follow, because I know some of you will keep some experiences and you will go into the companies. At that time, you act professionally, you behave professionally as if you are already having experience in this domain. So every minute behavior is counted over there. So this is also very important team. You should not refer the Fusion application in a very unprofessional way like URL or web link. So these are the names that Oracle telling to call their application. What are they? You have to call or refer Fusion application as environment, instance, server, environment, instance, server, pod, pod, tenant, or sandbox. We can call with these different names team. These are the more official terminologies that we have to call. Because when you are in the project team, from your colleague, you want to get the details of any of the client logins team. You have to ask like this, hey, can you please give me the environment of this client? Can you please give me the instance of this client? Or can you please provide me the server access of the client? Or please give me the pod details of the client. Pod means platform on demand. What do you mean by pod? Platform on demand team. Full form of pod means. Can you give me the pod of the client like that team? Or can you please give me the tenant access of the client? Can you give me the sandbox of the client? These are the names that we have to refer Fusion application team. URL, web link are very layman general terminologies. Okay. Even in our course features, when I'm explaining you yesterday, here also what I kept him here, huh? What I kept him here, 7 months of Oracle server access. I'm calling server means Fusion application team server. So these are the different names you have to call the Fusion system. Then one more very key important consideration. Everyone should know this team because whenever you're working in the real-time companies team, you will be in a situation to work for multiple projects also sometimes, particularly team. uh, in this technology we have the projects like here I have mentioned actually, but in our workshop sessions I will tell you we have different types of projects that you will be working on team: implementation project, support project, testing project, like that. Particularly in support projects, when you are working in real time, you will be getting a chance to work for multiple clients also simultaneously team. Okay. I have my personal experience, when I was working with Oracle Corporation in 2016, 14, some period during that time, I was working for close to 6 projects simultaneously. I was in the support projects during that time. 6 projects, you don't believe I was part of. Parallelly, we are working as a pool of 15 resources as a team for 6 clients. We were working team. I'm not telling everyone will get that chance, but at least 1, 2, 3, maximum 2 projects, 3 projects, sometimes you have to be part of. But during that time, how you will differentiate team, which client application is what, any changes in the environment client Oracle will maintain, I'll tell you. Very important. For example, team, you are working for 3 clients team. Client A, example I'm giving as client A, client B, and client C. Okay, 3 clients if you're working team. So when Oracle's 3 clients means 3 companies, 3 customers team for whom Oracle sold the product. Okay, 3 customers or the clients team. Now, when you are working in the real time, you have to focus here. For every customer in the market, when Oracle selling their product in the web, in the environment, I am also using web link, in the environment team, these 4 characters will be differed. For this one team, I have seen here coming as FA, HTTP FA/ETIT. For one client, if Oracle give like this team, for another company, when Oracle selling, this four characters will be default. FA, some other combination it will give. Then for other client team, here you will be finding the difference in this pod. Like you can see like this. Some number I'm giving as of now like this. So client to client team, whenever you are working in the real-time project, by looking at these four characters here team, Kumar, why you are telling, sorry, four characters team, you will be seeing different, unique. We call them as pod number. What are they, you know? Pod number. Kumar, they are in characters, but you are telling number. Yes, team, it will be called as number only, even though they're in character. We call them as pod number, POD number. So client to client in the environment team, you will be experiencing these four characters unique code that is called as pod number. So by looking at that, you can easily identify which client application is what, right team? And our training environments team coming as SaaS FA Demo-1 Oracle Demos.com. Generally team, for training purpose, Oracle will give demo environments in the demos for training that what we use, you know, in the market, it will come as demos. But the real-time client applications team will not come like demos team. It will come as something like at the end oraclecloud.com. It will come like this team. Okay. So it will come at the end as oraclecloud.com. But for our training environments, it will come as demos.com. But generally in the client applications, when you are working in real time, the URL will starts with the four characters pod number. And at the end, you will see coming as oraclecloud.com. So these are the very basics or the fundamentals everyone should know, team. Within this, we have different scope, like we have team production environment, development environment, test environment, but they are too early to discuss. When I'm going to take our placement workshops, here I will tell you team, what are the different projects, how many people in the projects will be in on-site, how many people in Indian, I mean in offshore, how many people will be there, who is project manager, then how the communication between we and client. Here team, I will explain you different environments we have in the system, like here development environment, test environment, production environment. When client buy the product, how many by default environments they will receive. That all we will talk later, but that because they're too early team. If I start now, you won't understand. So as of now, these basics you should know. How application will be delivered when client purchase the product from Oracle. What are the different names that we can call, and a client to client, what will be the difference mainly, the four characters pod number. These things I want you to be clear. Basics. Now let us enter into the Fusion system and let's see the functionalities team. Let me first sign out. I have to show you something. See, like every other application team, whenever you pass your URL here, okay, this is my client application. Just when I pass my URL into my browser, okay, this will be the login screen I will be getting team. Oracle Cloud Account Sign In, Identity Domain, our pod number team, ETIT. Here we have no four characters pod number. Huh? That will come here team, ETIT, Identity Domain as. Then username. I have my username for the training purpose what I have. But how to get our user accounts created for our client application, how the project will start, that I will take up in tomorrow's session team. But in order to log in into the Fusion system, this will be the sign in page. Once we give our user ID and password, see team, like other application, we have the option of forgot options team. For example, you forgot your password. So you have this option. You can click on forgot password and then while your account created in the system, your email ID might be given. So you can pass your email ID and you can choose the option team. Forgot username. Let's say if you forgot your username only, select this and submit. To this email ID, system will send the username detail. If you forgot the password, select and submit. System will send to this email what we passing the forgot password link team. Like our Gmail, Instagram, if you forgot the password, how you will reset? Same option you will get here also team. Forgot password. And then team, Oracle Fusion applications are multi-language supported application. What is this multi-language? See, as I mentioned yesterday, Oracle is one of the top ERP applications in the world. Even it overcome SAP. It crossed SAP also in the market, I told. Because Oracle applications will be used in different countries across the world. 90 plus countries Oracle applications are being used. Means Oracle having the customers in all these countries to give the local flavor. Okay, like in our mobiles also team, I think many of you, many of us, including me, will have this experience. uh, our parents or our grandparents team, they are more comfortable using the mobile in their native language, Telugu, Hindi, English, I mean Tamil, Malayalam, whatever. You can able to go to language option in settings and you can change your mobile appearance, right? Similarly, in order to give the more localized experience, Oracle applications also support multi-country language pack. So here, while you logging in only, how you want the account, I mean, application should be, you can select. By default, it will be in English. If you want it in Brazilian, okay, your client, the client is from Brazil, they want to use in their own language, they can select Brazil team. Now screen loaded, everything got changed to Brazil. See, everything changed to Brazil. See, or if I want it in Arabic team, okay, let's say your client is from Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, they want to use it in own Arabic language. So when a user logging into the system, the moment they select the language team, the entire application look and feel will change according. Arabic will start from right to left, right? So this entire layout move to right to left. Every language that what Oracle support you can see in the list here team. Turkish, Chinese, Russian, Romanian. See? Okay. English. Kumar, Indian languages are not supported. Means as of now, only English is supporting. Not even Hindi is supported. Probably in future releases, we might expect. Okay. So let me put it back to English team. Where is English here? Here. Let me put it back in English. Okay. So now it came back to English team. Now, once you pass your user ID and password, once you click on sign in, you will be entering into the system. This is the main home screen of the Fusion application team. Once you log in, good evening, HCM implementation 13. That is my login name team, my name coming. And when we log in, we could see several functions coming up here. What are they? See team, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk, product management. If I click on this right side arrow, more features will come. Benefits, risk management, many things team. What are all these things team? And when I select this, let's say some my client group is there. When I selected this, few more options under that I got to see icons. If I select me, under that I could able to see procure. What are all these things team? See, this entire section, this entire section, we call it as springboard. What is that team? This entire section, we call it as springboard. Okay. And each section on the tile here you are seeing, me is one section, procurement is one section, my client group is one section, right? So in the springboard, each section we call it as functional area. I'm introducing all the terminologies team. This entire area we call it as springboard. Each section we call it as functional area. Under that, whatever comes in under my client group, when I select hiring, person management, absences, goals, performance, talent review, these all options we will call as sub-functional areas team. So this entire area is called as springboard. These are called as functional areas, and these under that will be called as sub-functional areas team. And if you come to the top left, three lines are there. If I keep my cursor, that is called as navigator. What is that? Navigator. Once you click on this thing, a bar will open from left to right. So whatever the functional areas that we see in the springboard, in the horizontal arrangement, these all are there team, right? Whatever we see here in the navigator, we can see them vertically coming. If I click on this team, a bar opened from left to right. See, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. Whatever I see here, sales, Redwood, service, me, procurement, my client group in the tile, in the springboard, same I can see in the vertical. So if I expand team, my client group, see all the sub-function areas, hiring, candidate sourcing, journey, whatever I see here, my client group, hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys. So you can access them in the springboard, or even in the navigator also you can able to access them team, expand and collapse. Same functional areas and sub-functional areas you can even find from here team. Then we have team magnifier, search button, home button, favorites button, these all. But these things I'll take up in tomorrow session. So as I told you, today we started with our regular session. Yesterday we completed with our demo team. As such, new batch, I waited for 5 minutes, but I request everyone from tomorrow, please be on time. By 7:30 sharp session will start team. By 8:30, we will be concluding the session. And one important announcement to you before closing the session. For all the people, almost I can see maximum people in the call, at least like 4, 5 or 6 people who are left with enrollment, 100 plus we have. Whoever completed their enrollment stream today night or maximum by tomorrow morning, you will be provided with initially two things. It is your responsibility also equally to get yourself done. Please reach out to the admin if not happens team. What are they? We have created user accounts to our website for all of you. As I told you yesterday, daily sessions you will not get like today in the WhatsApp team, YouTube recording and all you won't get. From today night, whatever the sessions, even tomorrow we have the session. Generally team, Monday to Friday will be the batch, but as such it's a new batch. We are taking up tomorrow also the session. From today, all the sessions will be accessible only from the website. For every one of you who paid the fee, even half an hour before to the class, we completed creation team. Whoever paid now during the class, you will be getting access by tonight or maximum tomorrow morning. Don't worry. But please check. Everyone who paid the fee, we created your portal access team and we send a welcome email to everyone. There you have the steps in that, how to access our e-learning portal. Coming to our website, steps are included. Clicking on live classes, login, giving your password, login, how to access the videos, step by step we have given to you. That is one thing. Please do check out. If you didn't receive the welcome email from TrioTech for your portal, please check out to the admin team. They will help you out. Maximum, if not tonight, tomorrow it will be addressed team. Next, every one of you should be added in the new WhatsApp community, because starting from tomorrow, anything that I have to communicate with you people, it could be class timings, anytime we are changing, canceling the classes or assignments, any materials I have to share, instances I have to share, everything I will communicate from the WhatsApp community only. Please do check with the admin team. They will give you community link to join. Please click on that, join in your WhatsApp community team. And tomorrow morning we will be sharing the environment accesses, the Fusion application access team to every one of you. So you can start exploring the Fusion application as well. So I want everyone these two things to be doing team. If you are not in the WhatsApp community, you will be missing all the communication. You are not with me, simple. You got disconnected with me. You paid the fee, but you are not with me. Every class link from tomorrow, strictly only for the enrolled participants in the community only, you will get the meeting link team. So please get yourself added into the new group of the July batch. Though we started the batch at the end, we will name your batch with July only. 31st July, we started yesterday. We will name with that only in the WhatsApp. Please get yourself added team. And as I mentioned, the offer price will be ending for tonight. This is the strictly updatable announcement team. Till tonight only, this will be there. Strictly tomorrow morning onwards, the price will be revised to 25,000. Please get yourself enrolled with the payments and get your access creation done. So post tomorrow, we will not be taking up the enrollments as well because we have to complete the batch protocols team. So I request everyone, whoever yet to pay, remaining 5-6 people in the call, please do complete your enrollment procedure tonight. Get your access done. From tomorrow, meeting link will come. This meeting link won't work, team. New meeting link will be shared in the WhatsApp community to you. So let us join back tomorrow and we'll continue. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people?
Hello.
Yes.
Apart from paid certifications, I have seen that
Who is
some
that? Shiva? Yes, Shiva. Yeah,
I
certification.
have some I heard that free certifications that Oracle is
See, free
providing.
certifications just to tag in your LinkedIn only. That doesn't serve the purpose really. Only for basic cloud essentials, basic HCM, Oracle conducting free certification. But if you have to do the real core module certification, you have to do, Shiva.
So can we share that completed courses certification through
You can share, no worries.
resume?
You can keep it, but the interviewer also know that is a basic free certification, right?
No,
Okay, yeah,
that's
no worries. And I have seen a question from user. Apart from large multinational companies, will this technology be hired in the startup or middle? I don't know. This question, I think we already discussed yesterday. I told you the best thing is this Oracle HCM Cloud, not only MNCs, from startup to mid-level to MNCs, in every companies, the recruitment is being taken up in this domain. So when you learn this technology, you don't need to worry about the calls and all. Good number of calls are there. And moreover, long lasting career you will have. One thing is team, generally people will have a misconception that in IT industry, every 6 months, 1 year, something will newly come and we have to update or else we will be boosted out of that. But ERP technologies team, I'm telling this from facts. You take SAP or Oracle's e-business suite, PeopleSoft, from last 35 to 45 years they are in the market. People, I mean our before generation, I mean to say our uncles or our aunts, whoever is in US or Canada, you check them, they will be working in these ERPs only till now from last 20-30 years also. So ERP applications like Oracle Fusion will have a very long shelf life. If you are learning now, every 1-2 years you don't need to move to new technology team. For next 15-20 years you can be working in this domain only. You no need to get worried about that. Long lasting career will be there in this technology because These all are cost incentive technologies. If a client purchase this product, they can't usually move out of this after 1-2 years time. They will have a very long usage by spending that much amount. Even Oracle also will give that kind of stability support where clients will not move to other technologies easily. So you from the employment perspective also will be having a very long lasting career. I don't know who is the person by name user, drop it that. Next, any question team?
In this course,
Kumar, share that drive link, please.
One at a time.
hello.
Drive link you will get. Drive link, as I told, by tomorrow you will be getting that material. Module wise, I'll share that. Yes, Deepti,
Yes.
any question?
I have a question.
Kumar,
Let Deepti ask something.
sorry,
She's
go
asked.
ahead, go ahead.
Yes, Deepti.
Are we going to do any implementation project after ending of this our course?
Not after ending of the course. Parallelly, you will be configuring. For every module, you will get the assignment as part of the requirement. You have to configure parallelly, day by day.
Okay.
Kumar,
And what
Yes.
is the difference between Workday HCM or Oracle HCM?
Two different products owned by two different companies. The concept is same. Simple
Okay.
comparison, Deepti. iPhone is there, Samsung is there, mobiles, both are. What is the difference means what you will tell. Both are
One is
mobiles.
Android,
The
one is
purpose is same. iPhone is owned by Apple, Samsung is owned by Samsung. But the purpose is same for both, for calling, for whatever it is. Here also same. These two are two different HCM products. One is owned by Oracle, one is owned by Workday Corporation. That's all.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kumar,
Yes. Yeah, hello,
Monica
Monica.
this side.
Yes, please.
Actually, like you mentioned, like implementation, support, and the testing will be there. Like test, I mean, like support means the same. I mean the, uh,
Issues.
supporting the. Will it be like that?
See, generally support what means after implementation it will come. For example, in our regular understanding, I'll tell you. For example, you bought a laptop from Lenovo. Okay, you started using the laptop. You got some issue. What you will do? You'll go for a support. What they will do? They will address the issue. They will fix the issue where you can use it happily. Right? That's in our
Yeah,
regular life. One example I'm telling. Even in real time,
yeah,
example, Reliance bought this product. Reliance given project to Deloitte. They implemented it according to their requirement with all the data. They handed over to them. Now Deloitte people started using in their day-to-day life. But in real time, when they're using, lot of issues they will be encountering in the system. Lot of issues, errors, configurational drawbacks like that.
actually,
So what Deloitte will
Kumar,
do? One
yeah,
second, let me answer
like
that.
usual,
Who is that? Monica only or someone?
not
I think
me,
internally
Kumar.
you are speaking. Okay, sorry, fine. Let me tell you. So what Deloitte will do, sorry, what the client will do when they're using the system, if they're getting a lot of issues, definitely they will sign up for a support project. So some company or sometimes the implementation partner only will be there where the issues that what client facing in the day-to-day life, they will be fixing that issue. They will go back, whether it is any configurational error or any transactional error, that all they will fix. So when you are working in the real time, either you might be recruited for the implementation project or you might be recruited for support project or testing project. Anything, the training is same, the knowledge should be same. If you have this, you can work on any kind of project. What are they detailedly? We will see in our workshop session. Okay.
And Kumar, Monica again.
Mm-hmm.
Like suppose example, I mean in support itself presently also, my
Mm-hmm.
concern is like for support, like whatever how much support we are giving also, I mean opportunity everything will be less. That is what my concern, I mean like salary
Opportunity
wise
is less
also,
means I didn't get you. In which support you are
I
working
mean like
currently?
salary, I work for application support actually,
For which technology?
for Java application support.
Depends upon the technology, your package will be decided. The kind of packages
Okay.
in Java and Oracle never compare.
Mhm.
Okay.
That's what just
Yeah.
I just
No
wanted
worries.
to know.
I understood.
Like,
Understood.
will it be the same like that? I mean, difference will
no.
be there. No support
Lot
means
of
they'll be
difference will
considered.
be there. Lot of difference will be there. That is a different aspect that you are being, and now you are entering into a different thing. Okay.
Okay,
Well,
that
team, yeah. Thank you, Monica. And I'll conclude here for today. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue with our respective topic. So, as I told you, team, please get your access creation done for tonight and also get yourself added into the WhatsApp community. Instance access materials you will be getting tomorrow after 9 o'clock, team. Team will be sharing in the community, team. And if anyone not yet enrolled, I think team already sharing that in the WhatsApp, I mean, in your Zoom chat button. You can click on the chat pop-up where you can see the enrollment link, team. You can confirm the fee and share the screenshot accordingly. The team will be releasing the access to you. So thank you everyone, team. Let's join back tomorrow and we will continue with our training part. Thank you everyone, team.